I'm busted. It's too much unfolded in. I can't take no more than this. I just hope you might hear me now. Don't you know I'm feeling you on my heart? You just spent things and turn away. Pay attention. I'm pouring out my heart. Oh boy, I'm not feeling life. I'm not feeling alright. I'm not feeling you're not satisfied. Oh, I'm not feeling right. I'm not feeling right. I'm not feeling you're not satisfied. Oh,
my favorite song. You know one right around the block. From the nice place that you look to shop. Can you get away? You just sit down, let's talk it out. One-on-one, without a doubt. I wanna hold your hand, make it happen again. And it be me, you. Let you know how I'm feeling. Oh my heart, and she just rinsing to run away. Pay attention, I'm pouring on my heart.
I'm feeling right. I'm not feeling right. I'm not feeling you're not satisfied. Oh, I'm not feeling right. I'm not feeling right. I'm not feeling you're not satisfied. Oh, I'm thinking, but I need, is you right by my side. I can't leave, I can't leave, what I need, you right by my side. It ain't just big cane, it's your big cane. They got me looking around ready to wear your big chain. I only argue with them when the Lakers on. Other than that, I'm getting my Marc Jacobs on. The game's out cold and he always need to come back. Cause he never did be a back when I'm riding it from the back. Wait, I'll let me see your phone. Cause all them bitches is ratchet. And now let me get my truck. Cause all them bitches is catching. Great, seeing it, I go within. I be tripping, I be flipping, I be so belligerent. Been the shit that we be fighting over so irrelevant. I don't even remember though, I was probably hella pissed.